Hi everybody, it's me, Mr. Boardman, and I'm sorry that I'm not there with you today, but I'm going to show you how to build your own piece of pie. And this is one of my favorite projects to do around Thanksgiving time. You can create a little tiny piece of pie using cardboard, paper towel, tape, paint, and a few other materials. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself a strip of cardboard, and I'm gonna make a really tiny piece of pie. So I'm cutting a little bit of the strip of cardboard off. Then I'm gonna bend it. I'm bending it into like a V shape, and then I'm folding the back side so that it kind of looks like a triangle. And depending on how big of a slice you want, you can change the angle of the triangle. Then I'm gonna get a little piece of tape, just a tiny bit is all you need, and I'm gonna tape the back together so it looks like that. And then I'm gonna get myself this is Elmer's glue. It's a little watered down. It's Elmer's glue and water and a paintbrush. And I also have some paper towel, just the regular paper towel from the school. And this is gonna be, I'm gonna kind of paint the glue onto the side of my pie. I'm gonna make this a pumpkin pie. And then I'm gonna wrap the paper towel. I might have to rip a little bit off. I'm gonna wrap that around my cardboard, and I'm gonna paint over that as well, so that I'm really making sure that it's stuck on there. It might take a couple layers. And if you don't like the feeling of it, the paintbrush is helpful. It's gonna get a little bit messy, but that's okay. And then just gonna make sure I get enough on there where it's gonna feel secure when it dries. Takes just a few minutes to dry. And while you're doing this, you can think about what kind of pie you want. Sometimes it's easier just to use your fingers to get it on there. And for the sides, if you want it to be really clean, you can try and find a strip that's exactly the right size for the side of your slice of pie, and get that on there, and then paint the glue on. This part takes a little bit longer. Okay, so now I have my slice of pie created. I also want to have a little bit of crust on my pie, so I'm going to take a little bit more paper towel. And if you actually like scrunch it up and then twist it, kind of turn it in your hand. Sometimes if you roll it in your hands, that helps it kind of look a little bit more like crust. And you can measure it to be the right size. Sort of hard to cut through multiple layers, so make sure you have a good strong scissor. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue on there, and I'm going to paint that on there as well. Sometimes if it doesn't stick on, you might need to paste it on there with some more paper towel. All right, now this side is feeling a little bit like it needs some more love. Okay, so now I have this super cute little pie in my hand, but like I said, I want to make this a pumpkin pie. So I'm gonna get some paint and I'm gonna paint it so that it looks all right. Sorry, I needed to get some water. I forgot to get my water. Watercolor works great for this project, but also if you wanted to use the thicker paints, just make sure that you are using a smock. I'm gonna paint my little pumpkin pie. So that it's orange. I don't want to paint the crust because that is the paper towel color. The brown from the paper towel is actually like the perfect color for pie crust. So I'm going to leave that exactly how it is. But the pie itself, I'm going to paint using this nice orange. Looks pretty good. It's going to take a little while to dry. And then the last thing you can do is use a little bit of cotton. We have some cotton balls. And the cotton balls are great for making a tiny bit of whipped cream right on top. And then you have this adorable little pumpkin pie just in time for Thanksgiving. So I hope you have fun with this today, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.